Careful.
Careful now.
Oh,
careful.
Oh my god.
Hey, I can actually handle this because it's not like raw titanium.
You handle pipe well?
Dang.
Some would say the best.
Jeez Louise.
If I could somehow flip that for the women out there, I would. That one's for my boys. All right. So, let's get serious. So right here, we got Akrapovic.
Slovenian.
It's Slovenian.
It's either, I've heard, Akrapovic, Akrapovic,
Something.
Yeah.
But we got a full titanium exhaust for the Audi RSQ8. This is my daily driver. You've seen it in the launch break that we did. It rips. Yeah, so today I was gonna put snow tires on because it's inclement weather. So, but like any good snowball effect, you know, we're putting an exhaust on as well. So we got the titanium. That's gonna sound pretty fucking good, dude. That's gonna sound good. So this is the rear section. We got tips too that replace the bumper tips. But this is basically a catback, and then eventually we do have intercoolers as well, and we're going to do downpipes as well, and we're going to be making quite a bit of power. So we do have a package brewing for this that includes all the details in the future. We'll do a package video eventually, but our plan is to make roughly like 750, 800, but that requires doing an exhaust, and we already have the exhaust, so let's do it.
Dang!
That sounds pretty good.
He's gonna scream, huh?
Literally.
Who else do you know tears apart a perfectly fine RSQ8?
I don't know. Probably people with mental disabilities like me. Severe depression, yeah. Yeah, we got so, I guess I didn't say this earlier in the video, but in order to get like the full experience from Akrapovic, you get the like the valved like exhaust comes with this. It's from the factory. You can just plug in the motors and do the thing as well. But if you want to be able to fine tune the sound in your own way, say you want to run in comfort mode but have it loud as hell, you got to do this. So we're basically just like running our own wiring harness here. We got this stuff put in. So. And then in the front, in the command center, or in the cockpit, you'll have like a button so you can adjust stuff. And I think that they have an app as well. I could be wrong. But yeah, so we're gonna run this wire. All this is kind of tied into the factory wiring. So this is kind of just like a plug and play, or kind of like a piggyback, I guess. So yeah, it should be pretty solid. No check engine lights.
Nice.
So I'm gonna get this cleaned up. You guys kind of get the deal with the wiring. We're gonna get that going and then throw the exhaust in. It's getting late in the day. We might finish it in the morning. We'll see. So if I'm wearing a different set of clothes.
2,000 years later.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Oh, carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
They're on, bud. Oh my god, it's so light! Alright, Phil Swift here! With titanium! Tell me how you need me. Right there. Hold. I'm pushing. Lift. Yay.
Oh no.
Take your tips now.
We should have probably put the tips in first.
You know what I think? I think you're supposed to take these loose.
No,
put this up, and then
they
go like that.
wanted them, but they told me not to do that. Take that bitch off.
It's just so fucking big.
Grady.
Wow, you're so smart.
Dude, I'm big brain. A 100 IQ gameplay.
It's just so fucking big.
Sometimes my intellectualness staggers me.
Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Zip ties cure the world.
Really, dude? It doesn't matter how expensive a car it is. It's got to have a few like 50-cent zip ties on it.
Exactly.
Look what Katana last night ate a whole thing of poop
Nice.
and threw it up in my living room, and it was still a whole thing of poop
Nice.
and throw up. It's gonna sound like ass. Nah. Ready?
Yep. That sounds pretty cool.
Not really much. I'm wrong. You're wrong.
I've been saying it wrong this whole time.
Is that closed?
Open it up again. Okay, that's it open. That's really nice. That sounds good. With the down pipes, it's gonna be mental. Yeah, it is gonna be really loud. Put your fucking tires on so we can go launch this thing. So, one thing to clarify too is when the car gets like officially tuned and everything, we'll be able to take off the soft limiter that it has. So, like in the sound clips that you're just hearing, it kind of goes a whoom, dum 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 dum. Whereas like when you're driving the car, it actually has like a rev limiter, like you can bang it off the limiter and everything like that. So when you tune it, you can turn off the soft limiter and everything. So that way you can rev it all the way out, which is kind of fun if you're a ricer. So I'm a big
Nice tip, dude.
Thanks.
That's a nice tip.
Touch my tip. Boop. How's it feel?
Hard. It's soft.
It's
a
soft.
blend of hard and soft. It's nice. It's exactly what you want in a tip.
And it's warm.
Warm. I think I saw a little bit of juice come out too.
It's just excited to see you.
It's